How do you make those special moments memorable? Well, you allow them to shine. And joining us this morning is co-founder of Main Road Prints, Whitney Williams. Hey, Whitney.
Hi, Delia. How are you?
I am great. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
So tell me, first of all, where did the idea come from of the photo lights?
Well, basically, we do printing before. So we did like T-shirts for couples and anniversaries, those type of things, and tumblers and all of that. But then our beautiful baby boy came into the world last year, August.
What's his name?
Baby Royal.
Baby Royal.
So Royal came into the world last year, and you know, you're taking these, you're excited. It's your first baby, you're taking all these pictures, all of them pack up in the phone, not going anywhere at all. So we're like, what is it that we could do to create that moment? So early on before that, we had bought a 3D printer because Richie, that's my partner, he's very tech savvy and he saw where 3D printing would go in the customization space. So we got it and was trying it around and all that stuff. And so he printed a small version, 3D version of it. And then after that, he created a bigger one that you could just put beside the windowsill. And then when the sun comes up, you see it beautifully. Then we realized that when night comes,
can I say something though? Is Richie put best dad ever upon him own a cup?
That is not Richie.
Oh, okay. Come in and say for him put that upon him own a cup. But that's all right.
No. But we realized that when it came to nighttime, we couldn't see the picture at all. So I said, why not turn it into a lamp? And of course, he did his research and then we created a photo night light, a plug-in one.
That's
just
beautiful.
Like
and we're seeing different types. So we're going to go to the table.
Sure.
But look, who the upon good morning, Rosh. So you can put just about anything on it. It can be a face, it can be
quotes, it can be a favorite team. And I don't know who that is right
that
there.
Girl?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I saw a football team. It's unfortunate you really wasted the photo light on But morning, Terry Carroll, she knocked my team that I didn't ever knock her back. So you can put anything on the lights.
Yes, definitely.
So, wow. So it's great for companies. It's great
for everybody. I remember when we just started out, we tested on a few friends and family, and I gave my friend Kim her daughter. She loves the cartoon Ladybug. And now she's now in her room. She's not in mommy's room anymore because she has a little light and she enjoys it so much. So anything that you want to put on a light is just beautiful.
Listen, little pumpkin can turn over and see mommy and daddy on the light in the night and roll over back. So walk me through the process.
Sure.
If I say, okay, I have a picture of Spanish Town, I don't know why I would, but okay, I have a picture of Spanish Town and I want to put it on a photo light. Okay. How does it work, Whitney?
Well, it's really simple. All we'll tell you, just send that photo. Of course, we want something a bit clear, very clear, because we want to see it properly in that 3D printed version of it. So you send it to our email and we'll literally just walk you through the process. We have the printer. Wherever we reach, if there are any edits that we do, we'll show it to you. Do you like this? Do you not like this? We change it and fix it. And within 3 to 5 days, depending on what you want, 3 to 5 working days, you will get your night lights. We have 2 different versions of the light.
That's what I'm seeing. So I wanted to walk through this one.
Right. So this one that is rotating.
Spinning. Come, I'll step back so you can come.
Sure. So this one that is rotating, of course, we are representing graduation. You know, it's graduation season.
Well.
And this is the box version. So it is also remotely controlled. So you can change the mode of it. It can make it go slower. It can blink fast. It can come in, go out, all that. And you can turn dim and on at low and high. Right. So this is remote because we realize that probably if you check your house, not everybody have a plug right beside the bedside. So we're like, how can we make this a little bit more mobile? So that's how we got the box one.
I like it. When you come on my house, I turn off the light and you see me pick me in our graduation things. And we can talk about it. Yeah.
And then this one now would be the plug-in. So, you know, this is our little wall that we kind of made right here. So this is the plug-in one. I am a very big fan of Terry Carell. So, and I saw that she had a beautiful, so tell her, so have a little light first.
No,
okay,
she'll hear by the time you're done, man. She'll hear.
And, you know, the family, and she was showing the 3 generations.
Yeah,
it really meant a lot.
So
we printed that for her. I printed that a while. Yeah. And then this one, this beautiful photo.
Who's that girl?
You know, this one is going
that
home
one
with
got
you.
An auction. We got an auction, that one.
Right. And then now, lastly, so this is the plug-in on and off switch. And then this one right here.
Yes,
sorry.
Come down.
So for this one, for Christmas, we are going for some ornaments.
Yes.
You know, everybody putting up the ornaments together. It's a family time. So we created here. So right here we have, I think this is Baby Royal and his great-grandpa. He's 95 years old. That's Richie's grandpa. And we have 2021 on the other side.
Oh my gosh.
And then this one, all you do is just attach it to the lights that you already, normal Christmas lights.
Yeah.
So you just attach it to it and
put it over the light.
Exactly. So simple to use.
You can't take it off and it not mash up?
Let me try.
If not, I mash it up if it can. Oh my God.
So you just stick it in there and
just put it on over it. That's so neat.
Over it. Richie did this, so.
No man, that's fine.
There we go. Perfect. So
yeah. So you can make different ornaments for your tree.
Definitely.
Oh, no, Whitney, make me want to put up a tree.
You should.
So if someone wants to get it done with, how do they find you?
Okay, so we are on Instagram. It's Main Road Prints. You can also call us 547-0668. And just reach out, and you can DM us on Instagram, you can message us on WhatsApp, call, anything, and we'll just take it from there.
Now, it's a cool present to have. Ladies, buy one for your gentleman for Christmas.
Yes.
Yes, every time he turn up, they let him say, oh, look at my honey. Ooh. And if anybody is there, we're not supposed to be there, then we say a joke. That's a girl talk moment.
Yeah.
This is so cool, though, Whitney. I absolutely
you.
love it. Innovation. Boy, Jamaica people, man.
Yeah, man.
And we said, turn me and make fashion.
Richie, because you know him put him hands and things
Richie.
together. Yep.
Big up, best dad ever. Richie. And best partner ever.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's great having you guys this morning. Awesome.
Thank you.
Right in time for Christmas. Love it, love it. Co-founder Main Road Prince, Whitney Williams. Please go check them out. You know, I said Jamaican business, and we have to support them. Coming up next, what needs to be done to revamp our transport sector? We're going to discuss that after the break. Yesterday, in fact, was Walkability Day, and that's a big part of it. So we'll talk about that soon. Come.